It's often useful to follow a net through the various sheets of the schematic. This design walk feature provides a convenient way for you to do this, using net tagging on a schematic sheets as a visual indicator. We start by tagging the net on a sheet. This is done on schematic by right-clicking on the wire, terminal or pin of the net and choosing Highlight Net on a sheet from the context menu options. In a case like this, where we want to follow a signal that's not on many of the sheets, it's easiest to simply repeat the context menu action to switch to the next sheet of interest. Sheets with no net presence are disabled, and the current sheet is shown in the status bar. Imagine instead we wanted to double-check that all our ICs had power. In this case, almost all the sheets are going to include the net. So after we first tag the net via the context menu, we cycle through the sheets one at a time using the page up and page down keys. The status bar will display both the net being tagged and the sheet name as you switch sheets. If there is no net presence on the sheet, it will tell you that as well. Finally, if you need a more detailed or data-driven view of the net contents, you can use the Design Explorer in Netlist View. You can also cross-probe from Design Explorer to combine visual inspection with the data listings.